So I think it's a cool idea because John and Missy Sue are kind of safety-minded people. That it's Irish, but it's also high vis.
Yeah.
It'll be one of a kind for sure.
Absolutely.
This is my favorite part of building a harness for some reason. I really like the binding because it like puts this polish edge, like literally a polished edge. I regret that I'm not like building it myself, John, but these are the times we're in. And you know I gotta do what I gotta do for my back, so. Besides, Sam is the ace. Nice. All right, John, we're now on to this artistic part. I thought this was a good open piece of real estate for the sober patch. So now with a big sober patch, and I'm noticing that she's being very careful to not get the black thread in the white hem edge of the patch, which is what I would do. Okay. Totally awesome. And so now if you want to get hammered, you got to tear that patch off first. Next here, ASTM built date. We got the really good info here where the harness comes from. Yes, MonkeyBeaver.com, but also haven't got to the suspender part yet. That's an exciting part too, but look at this cool continuity here we're gonna have with the leg pads. These are unbound and they're just getting started, but I'll show you after they're bound and built. And then I have a special plan for a certain kind of logo right here that I'll show you later. Time to bind.
Slicked back his hair and he was like,
Mm-hmm. Unity service recovery. This is how it's shaping up. Okay. So far so good. High vis Irish. And how do we know it's Irish? Because by the time we get the suspender finished, we've only just begun those. But by the time we get the suspender on there, we just go like that. And we shamrock it with a ShamWow Irish. Okay, here it is, John and Missy Sue, the big reveal. I got it here in the photo booth. Kind of explain my thought process. Again, was for an Irish motif, but in high vis to kind of show that safety side of y'all, right? And probably of all of us. And then there's other themes going on here. Alright. Got other themes going on here that are kind of important. I think the leg pads turned out so cool. Like, man, this is one of the sharpest looking things we've turned out yet. I really appreciate Sam and Sal and Bob and stuff helping me. So I really wanted to like sew it up every stitch myself for you, like I have, and for some about 25 of these others, but I couldn't because I'm pretty injured, and I'm doing what the physical therapist tells me to do, and I'm not doing what he doesn't tell me to do. So anyway, I hope you guys love it, and you probably won't see this video, John, until February 14th or something like that. But anyway, love you both. Talk to you later.
Monkey Beaver dum dum.